Okay, let's revise some vocabulary that we learned last class. Look at these activities. Do you remember them? I'm going to point, you say, and then we check. Cuando señalo, digan la actividad, si se acuerdan cómo es, y después doy vuelta a la figurita y tenemos la palabra. ¿Ready? Okay. Watch TV. Listen to music. Read books. Play the piano. Play video games. Play tennis. Play basketball. Roller skate. Skateboard. Do karate. Okay, good. Now I'm going to point them and you say in random order. Play the piano. Roller skate. Listen to music. Play tennis. Watch TV. Play basketball. Skateboard. Read books. Play video games. Do karate. Okay, my favorite activity is reading books. What's your favorite activity?